got chia seed pudding. So, as I've mentioned, chia seeds are a fantastic source of antioxidants, fiber, iron, calcium, and those very beneficial omega-3 fatty acids, which most of us are short on, which your body cannot produce, and which is one of the best things to fight inflammation in your body. Other ingredients in this star player dessert are walnuts and almonds, which also help fight inflammation in the body. The walnuts, as you know, contain omega-3 and 6 fatty acids. Again, and then we've also got cacao and cacao nibs. So how good is it? You can eat a chocolate-flavored dessert that's actually good for you. So remember, probably the number one biggest thing that causes inflammation is sugar. But when you eat a dessert like this, it actually helps fight inflammation. So it's a choice between something that harms your body and something that literally benefits your body. And so the cacao is a very good source of antioxidants and also a very old known source of beneficial inflammation fighting compounds. So that is our star players.